GEVO Stock Monday, last Monday of the year of 2024. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So with Gevo Inc, I'll definitely have to say that this is it's almost like the same chart as KLAES, KULR, RGTI, QSI, because we've just actually run up so much with these ticker symbols lately that I'm not just gonna buy at the top. I would love to see retracements and then capitalize on that market, because I'm kind of late on this. I honestly mean this. Like, even higher time frame chart looks quite bullish to me, but I will not just like randomly start buying. I mean, for context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and I've documented everything, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships. But unless my rules are met, I am just not gonna move forward. And I'm just like that, because I've done it before, you know, like I've tried 4 trades run after them. I just never saw success personally. So this is my very subjective opinion. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.